Ladies and gentlemen, it's me, James Swinney, coming at you this Monday afternoon from the balcony overlooking the New York Stock Exchange. And as I'm sure you can tell, I'm in a good mood. That's because I'm mostly hyped up on coffee. And it's also because I realized this Monday is finally coming to an end. Because it's nearly 4 o'clock. The markets, they're about to close. Stocks mostly flat throughout the session. And it's time for me to go out there and have my drink because it's officially happy hour here in the Big Apple. Now stocks, they are mostly flat this Monday afternoon as investors continue to take in a series of key economic reports and an intensifying investigation into new Hillary Clinton emails. This just nearly 1 week before the election. We first begin with the headlining Hillary Clinton email investigation that's been keeping investors on edge since the opening bell. FBI Director James Comey said in a Friday letter to lawmakers that the agency is probing new emails related to the Democratic nominee, the emails discovered during a separate investigation involving former Congressman Anthony Weiner. Following the release of the news, Clinton's lead over her Republican counterpart, Donald Trump, continuing to narrow. Meanwhile, moving on to the data front today in the markets, consumer spending rising more than expected in September as households continue to lift purchases of motor vehicles and inflation increased steadily. The Commerce Department saying consumer spending increasing 0.5% after a downwardly revised 0.1% drop during the month of August. Now you team all of this with Chicago PMI coming in at 50.6, well below a September print of 54.2, combined with a volatile U.S. dollar and oil down about 1.5% as non-OPEC nations have not yet committed to an output limit, then you have yourself a session right now where stocks are mostly trading around the flat line to start off the trading week. Let's take a look now to see how the markets are shaping up to close out the first trading session of a new week. And with not much news coming out of the corporate front, we might as well end with sports, especially with this session being all about the Clinton email investigation and the upcoming election. It's actually a quiet one. There's only one game in town here in New York City, and that happens to be the Chicago Bulls coming over to Brooklyn to fight the Nets tonight. We'll see what happens. With that, kick back, relax, grab yourself a drink. I'll see you guys all tomorrow morning. From out on Wall Street, I'm James Swinney.